Skeletron coming at you with a quick and easy idea to protect yourself in these times of crisis. So don't give me that boo-hoo sob story about how you don't have a mask. I'm going to show you how to make it work. You can make it work with a simple, stupid, regular old little product that you can buy at any grocery store as long as the grocery store is open. So, when the going gets tough, the tough get going. Instant mask. Let me show you how to do it. Tough get going. My name is Skeletron, and I'm going to show you how to be prepared. I can make this mask in 3 minutes, but you got to drink soda pop or have some soda pop on hand. So, first step is get your soda pop bottle, 2-liter bottle. It doesn't have to be Kroger. It doesn't have to be 7-Up. 7-Up might work if you have a bright, sunny day. You got the green 7-Up bottle. That might be nice. So you take this off. Get your old razor blade. You take your scissors. And we're going to speed this up for you, because we all know how to use scissors. Done. Less than 3 minutes, Skeletron has done it again. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. So now I'm ready, and if you don't want it to fog up, you just go like this. You just go like that, and then it works perfectly. No, but you might want to make sure you get the rigid plastic bottle, so you can tell when you buy it, it's a little bit more rigid. Some of them are a little cheaper than others. This one works the best. So sometimes you get lucky. You never know with the 2-liter soda bottle. You could always double it up too. I'm ready. What about you? Now, if you feel left out, you don't have a fancy mask like I have, no fret, no need to complain. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. And let's stop blaming other people. We don't need our government to give us masks. Just take one of these shop towels and use your head. We don't need a throwaway disposable mask. You can wash this. You can put it in the sun for a day. There's not gonna be any germs. But these are actually, could be better than your stupid little surgical mask. So do what you gotta do. Make it work. Okay. What is this? Polyester made in China.